Hi, it's Sue from iSales, and as part of the Damp and Mould Awareness Week, today we're going to be talking about how to fight condensation automatically, and that is through continuous humidity-controlled fans. Now, if you've ever had the mist on your mirrors or the dripping windows, or you know the mould spots you get in your bathroom or your kitchen, that's a sign that the humidity is staying too long in the air, right?
So what these fans will do is they will monitor the humidity in their area for the whole 24 hours of the day, even when you're not at home. They will be on trickle mode for the whole time, continuously, and when it senses that the humidity has risen too far above the threshold, it will then go into a boost mode, and then from there it will clear out the humidity. Once it's cleared, it'll go back into trickle mode automatically, being efficient.
So you don't even have to pull a cord or switch a switch?
Exactly. It does all the thinking for you. A lot of the fans, such as the Kair Smart Fan, the Centrex MEV extract, and the Kair HRV150, which also has heat recovery ventilation with it, are all continuously running humidity-controlled fans.
That's come on a long way since the old fans. So that will mean less condensation build-up, less mould, and healthier homes.
Exactly. It's all about maintaining the moisture levels in the first place and preventing the moisture from building up. What that means is it's more energy efficient and it's less likely to cause mold in the property.
That's going to be a game changer for installers, especially with Awaab's law highlighting the need for more effective always-on ventilation. So whether it's the Kair Smart Fan or the Centrex MEV or the HRV150 or another humidity controlled unit, these continuous running systems are the future of home ventilation. You set it once and it just works. So if you have a new project coming up that you need help with, just call our technical line on 0203 621 0558 for free, no obligation advice.
We're giving away £1,400 in ventilation products. We have a continuously running extract fan, which is humidity controlled, not one, but two heat recovery ventilation units, an inline fan, which also comes with a humidity controlled and timer switch, making it a smart inline fan. We have mold control paint, passive fresh rinse, mold control packs, as well as these hygrometers over here. We also given away two £150 vouchers, one for ducting and a £150 voucher for our ventilation units. Link in the description below.